Saving $1 million for retirement might sound like a daunting goal, but it's absolutely achievable with the right plan, consistency, and time on your side. Whether you're just starting out or already on your financial journey, understanding the steps to save for retirement is crucial. In this video, I'll walk you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to save $1 million for your retirement, no matter where you're starting from. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to reach this life-changing financial milestone. Let's get started. Step 1 is to determine how much you need to save each month to hit your $1 million goal. This depends on two factors: how much time you have until retirement and the rate of return on your investments. For example, if you're 25 years old and plan to retire at 65, you have 40 years to save. With an average annual return of 7%, a realistic expectation for a diversified portfolio, you'd only need to save about $200 per month to reach $1 million. However, if you start later, the amount you need to save each month will increase. Step 2 is to maximize contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts. These accounts, such as 401(k)s, IRAs, and Roth IRAs, are designed to help you save for retirement while offering significant tax benefits. For instance, contributions to a 401(k) are made with pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income, while a Roth IRA allows your investments to grow tax-free. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions if your company offers them. It's essentially free money toward your retirement savings. The third step is to create a budget and prioritize saving. Building a $1 million retirement fund requires discipline, and the best way to stay on track is to make saving a priority. Start by analyzing your income and expenses to see where you can cut back. Automate your savings by setting up direct deposits into your retirement accounts, so you're consistently investing without having to think about it. Even small adjustments, like cutting unnecessary subscriptions or dining out less, can free up funds to boost your savings. Step 4 is to invest your savings wisely. Saving $1 million isn't just about putting money aside, it's about letting your money grow through investing. The stock market is one of the most effective tools for long-term wealth building, thanks to compound growth. Diversify your investments across a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. If you're unsure where to start, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which provide broad market exposure and are ideal for beginners. Step 5 is to periodically review and adjust your plan. Life circumstances change, and so do financial markets. Make it a habit to review your retirement savings plan at least once a year. Check if you're on track to meet your goal, and adjust your contributions if needed. If you get a raise or a bonus, increase your savings rate. Similarly, as you get closer to retirement, you may want to shift to more conservative investments to protect your nest egg. A crucial part of saving for retirement is avoiding costly mistakes. The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long to start saving. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth, thanks to the power of compounding. For instance, if you start saving $200 per month at age 25, you'll reach $1 million by age 65. But if you wait until age 35 to start, you'll need to save nearly $400 per month to hit the same goal. Another common mistake is cashing out retirement accounts early. Not only do you face penalties and taxes, but you also lose the potential growth that money could have achieved over time. Keep your retirement savings intact, even during financial hardships, and look for other solutions to cover immediate needs. Step 6 is to stay disciplined and patient. Building a $1 million retirement fund takes time, but every dollar you save gets you closer to your goal. Celebrate small milestones along the way, like hitting your first $10,000 or $100,000. These achievements can motivate you to stay committed to your plan. Finally, step 7 is to educate yourself about personal finance and investing. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Read books, watch videos, and follow experts who can provide valuable insights and strategies. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and the knowledge you gain will help you not only save for retirement, but also manage your money effectively in all areas of life. To recap, here's how to save $1 million for retirement step by step. First, determine how much you need to save each month based on your timeline and investment returns. Second, Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts. Third, create a budget and prioritize saving. Fourth, invest wisely to let your money grow. Fifth, regularly review and adjust your plan. Sixth, avoid costly mistakes like waiting too long to start or cashing out early. And finally, stay disciplined, patient, and educated about your financial journey. Saving $1 million for retirement isn't an overnight achievement, but with the right plan and consistent effort, it's a goal anyone can reach. Start today, no matter where you're at, and let time and discipline work in your favor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and share it with someone who's planning for retirement. Let us know in the comments what steps you're taking to save for your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.